See, if you be Nigerian, know how you must don hear about Big Brother Naija. Yes, so Big Brother Naija na one reality show wey people like to watch and die. In fact, the very first Big Brother Africa, I start to dey watch am from the very first Big Brother Africa, that one wey buy your win. I come dey watch subsequent ones. I watch some, I no watch some, but I watch most of them. So Big Brother dey classy, make we no even deny that one. Na the ambience of the house, na the contestant, na body guys and babes, people wey dey speak shren English, na that kind thing. So Big Brother, everybody go wan watch am. Na wetin everybody go wan watch, young people, elderly people, everybody go like to watch am. But something happen to me, something wey shock me, wey surprise me well well. The thing in fact the thing e shock me. Now I decide say I no go, I go remove am for Big Brother matter. Say I no go watch Big Brother again. The thing pain me. Be like say they put chocolate for your mouth. When they put chocolate, they say they go take the chocolate. E hard though, but I say I no go watch Big Brother again. So for my channel, I go tell you now why I decide say I no go watch Big Brother again. Make una no miss am. Subscribe.